Going through airport security check can be tedious, especially if you are not familiar with the TSA rules. During your security check at the airport, you will be asked to open your carry-on luggage or your cabin luggage, and sometimes you will also be asked to remove some of the items that you are wearing. Knowing what items you need to take out and put it in the bin during your security check at the airport makes it an easy peasy process for you. So I will break this video into 5 segments and explain each point in details. So welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please feel free to subscribe so that you get all the latest video notification whenever I post a video. The first thing that you need to take out at the airport security check is the liquids, gels and aerosols that you are carrying in your hand luggage. By this time, if you have watched my previous videos, you might know that all the liquids that you are carrying in your carry-on luggage should be not more than in 3.4 ounces of containers, which is equal to 100 ml. And all these liquid items that you are carrying, which is 100 ml or less than 100 ml, should be put in a quart size resealable plastic bag. If you want to know more about the 311 liquid rule by TSA, then watch this video on the screen. It will be also linked in the description box below. However, if you want to buy these quad size bags which are approved by TSA, then the product link will also be mentioned in the description box below. So during your security check at the airport, you have to pull out this bag and place it in a separate bin. This will include all items which could be termed as liquid by TSA. Again, if you have any confusion about what is liquids as per TSA, then you can watch another video on the screen, and that will explain in details what TSA means by liquids. Liquids also include liquid medicine, breast milk, formulas, etc. We will get to those things later on in this video. Moving to our second segment, which is electronics. These days when we travel, we cannot travel without our electronics, right? We have a lot of devices that we carry along with us when we are traveling. So you must know how to pack these electronic items so that it becomes very easy for you to clear your security check at the airport. If you are carrying larger electronics which are bigger than your mobile phone, then you have to pull out that particular electronic device from your bag and place it in a separate bin. This might include your laptop, your tablet, etc. However, small electronic items like data cables, chargers and power banks can be kept inside the bag. As you place these products in a separate bin, the security personnel at the airport security check will get a close view through the X-ray machine of your devices. But can you imagine how messy and hectic it could be at the airport security check to pull out each of your devices from your bag? For that reason, I always recommend to pack all your electronic items, especially the cables, wires and chargers and your laptops and other devices that you're carrying, in a pouch. So that is always handy. You know that all these devices are in one place, and just taking out one bag at a time can solve all your problem. I will also put the link of my favorite electronic pouch in the description box below. That brings us to our third segment, that is personal items that you are wearing at the airport. So sometimes when we are wearing heavy metals on our body to the airport, it might set an alarm at the X-ray machine or the metal detector. So at the airport during the security check, you might be asked to open few of the items you are wearing and place it in the bin for a clear X-ray. If you are wearing a belt with a chunky metal buckle, then you might be asked to open your belt. Sometimes the security personnel does not check whether it's a heavy buckle belt or a normal buckle belt. They just ask every passenger to open their belt and put it in a separate bin. Sometimes jewelries are not allowed to wear during the security check, so it is always a good suggestion that do not wear chunky jewelries at the airport, and especially if you are wearing any valuables, make sure to open it before your security check and put it in a secured Ziploc bag so that you can place it inside your handbag. I always use clear plastic pouch which are resealable for these things, because once it happened with me, I was only wearing one single gold bangle and I had to open that at the airport. So it's always a good option to carry few of these resealable plastic bags so that you can keep your valuables, and later it will be a breeze to find it out inside your handbag. Now if you are having anything inside your pocket, which could be keys, coins, etc., then you have to take all these things out from your pocket and place it in the bin. Another suggestion is empty your pocket beforehand and keep everything that you have in your pocket inside your hand luggage. In that way, you don't have to waste your time emptying your pocket during your security check. Moving to our fourth segment is the outerwear and footwears. It is always suggested that when you are going to the airport, make sure that you are dressed properly. If you want a detailed video on what to wear at the airport, then let me know in the comments below. It is also very important to dress in layers. At the airport, if you are wearing any outerwear which is heavy like a jacket or a trench coat or something, then you will be asked to open the outer layers of your outfit. You may also be asked to open your shoes if they think it's appropriate. It completely depends upon them. So it's an advice to wear shoes which are comfortable as well as which does not takes a lot of time to put on or to open. Finally, we have reached to our fifth segment, which is miscellaneous item. It includes food as well as medication. Yes, at the airport you are allowed to carry your own food, and especially if a child is traveling with you, you can carry formulas, even water along with you. However, you have to again pack every food item into separate plastic resealable bags so that it becomes easier at the airport security to pull that bag out during the X-ray. Sometimes the security personnel have some question around the food you are carrying, so it is always suggested that carry something which is easily identifiable. When it comes to medicine, it is a good idea to keep it in their original packaging. You can carry liquid medicines, tablets, and any kind of injection, inhalers, whatever your doctor has prescribed. Medicines does not fall under the TSA liquid 311 rule, so you can carry as much as medicine you will need. Also, do not forget to carry your prescription along with the medicine, because you might be asked at the airport for the prescription for the medicines you are carrying. If you want to know more about how to pack medicines, medical devices and equipments for the flight, then there is another video which will be linked in the description box and in the I button there. You can take a look at that. At the airport, during the security check, you have to pull out your medications, especially the liquid ones, and you have to tell the security personnel that you are carrying these medicines along with you. So it is very important to pack all these medicines conveniently. Again, I always pack my medication in plastic pouch, keep it in their original packaging, and for the liquid bottles I carry this kind of a plastic bag which is resealable. So that was all. If you have any other question or suggestion for this video, let me know in the comments below. I'll be really happy to help you. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all, and bye bye.